Okay, I see you with that transition. Yo, what is up, guys? Heading to Irvin's house right now with my bumpers and fenders. We're gonna get it painted. They're all in the back of the truck. We're gonna get it painted, sanded down, painted, primed, whatever. We're gonna get the paint to match the IS300, and then we're gonna install the front bumper for now, and the fenders, we're gonna hold off on it until I get wheels. So yeah, let's go. Just got to Irvin's place.
What do we got?
We got some freaking legendary stuff, man, imported from Japan. This thing's so annoying. I didn't fix it yet. This freaking lever is ass. It's not really a lever, it's a freaking wig. Got some blankets, man.
Nice.
What do you think about that?
That's a nice blanket.
Yeah, so we got the freaking Duraflex stuff, the good stuff, you know, the high quality, high end shit. Just kidding. It's imported from California, from Driven by Style. It's like fragile.
It's fiberglass.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna be a lot of work.
Really? What do you mean? Yeah, but that's areas you don't see when you put it up. Where? This?
Yeah.
Look at that, it's really cracked. Well, I mean, it's not close to perfect. It is gonna be a lot of work. How did that happen? Now I'm pissed. Now I'm just, look at that. That's literally like, didn't even nick anything, it just broke. It looks pretty nice though, huh?
Yeah, it looks fucking sweet.
This bumper is, I think,
the mounting holes are drilled. So.
I'm gonna paint the grill right here. I'm gonna paint that rainbow.
Yeah, do it.
Dude, you know what we could do? Stencil something on there.
Yeah, like fuck you.
That works. Mishimoto on there, bro.
You should. Like ETS.
ETS, Extreme Turbo Systems.
I mean, you do you. You do you, boo boo. I'm not gonna talk about it.
Then put some LED strip lights, dude.
Of course, dude. You gotta get
Right
that
here.
underglow.
Yeah, this part I don't really care about because it's gonna be covered with the grill. You got it?
I got it.
All right, I'll grab the fenders. These are charge speed fenders, or I guess reps, if you, whatchamacallit. So you want these on this one? All right.
All the mounting holes are in there.
Yeah. I was just gonna 3M tape it on, bro. You know what? Let's just do quick release. Quick release.
I got dual lock. We can do dual lock. Dual lock is dual lock's the shit, dude.
Fuck. Your house is falling apart, bro. So yeah, it looks like we got a lot of work to do, guys. We got to all the little details. I mean, if Irvin was doing this, bro, he'd be fucking coming in here with a chisel and a fucking Dremel to get all these grooves right. But you know what? I'm not too big on detail. I should be. Yo, oh, I thought this was part of it. I was like, what the fuck?
Yo!
Yo, retarding this shit. No, that's literally the stand. You know, the only way to really find out if it fits is test fitting, so.
Yeah. We're gonna have to make it fit, so.
Yeah, well, either if, dude, once it's put together and it's close enough, I think it'll look pretty good. I think it'll just be well put together. It's not gonna be super clean, but like nobody's car is down to the fucking knit grit fucking clean unless it's like show car status. Yeah. But we're not show car statusing. I'm gonna go home, grab the IS in a little bit, and we're gonna test fit this bad boy, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, back at Irvin's house with the IS. It actually looks good as is, but we're gonna get the bumper on for test fit, fenders on for test fit, which means we gotta take it apart real quick, and yeah. Problem, guys, this is way too close to each other right here, and basically it's not gonna fit, so we're gonna cut this whole section back here off, and yeah, so the lights can fit in, because this is actually supposed to be like an inch apart. This piece right here is supposed to go way back here, and it's just molded wrong, but we're gonna cut that shit off, so. Alright guys, update. So we trimmed a lot of the area of the headlight where the housing and stuff is supposed to fit in, and basically this is as close as we're gonna get. Headlights match, the hood is lined up pretty decently. Sides are pretty good, that's as good as it's gonna get. It's bolted on, so this is how it's gonna look.
So there's a lot of shit that we had to do, but we got it done.
Behind the scenes.
And it looks decent.
Yep, I think it looks awesome. It's not gonna be perfect. It ain't never gonna be perfect.
As good as we can get it.
That's as good as it's gonna
So now we gotta move on to putting on this fender, and then we'll try on both fenders and the bumper and see if it'll look good.
Is she ready for SEMA yet? Update on the second fender, the passenger side fender. We got it on, and you know, it's not obvious. It looks pretty decent. There's some better things about this side. This side's more flush along the door edge. It sits a lot better than the other side, but the hood part is a slight bigger gap compared to this one. But you know what? I can live with this. I can live with this right here. It's not too bad, but it's looking good so far. So now it's time to get the front bumper on, headlights, fit that on, and we'll see how it looks all together. What's up guys? So we have a little bit of a dilemma. We got stuck in a little bit of a pickle. So I found out that the bumper right here is designed for the USDM crash bars, and obviously this is, or not USDM, JDM crash bars, and this is obviously not a JDM crash bar. It's a lot thicker.
We don't know yet.
Well, if you look at it, this is a lot thinner.
It might just be because of this cutout.
But also they did a shitty cutout. But what we're gonna do is probably take this off so we can mock up the bumper, make sure everything fits, get a good fit check on there, and then maybe order a new crash bar from Street Faction, or you know, fucking Jimmy rig this shit and cut the fucking crash bar. What do you think?
Yeah, we could try it.
Alright guys, so we got the front bumper on. It's not actually placed on yet. We test fitted it. It looks as good as it's gonna get. It's actually not that bad. I like it. I like it a lot. I think it has potential. It needs paint because it looks hella goofy right now with all that white shit, but that's how she looks so far. Matches the fenders. Definitely need to go wide in the back, and the wing will help.
Yeah.
The wing will definitely help.
Little winglet looks good, but the fenders just don't match. Front to rear, you know?
Yeah.
It's like that has that real hard, crisp line, and the
Yeah.
just like round.
It almost looks like someone who just does arm day and skips leg day every day. Like, yo, aggression stops right there. Boom, done. Oh, okay. Basic. Wait till I get the rear wing and the louvers. That's gonna balance out the aggression because the louvers make it way aggressive. Wider wheels. Also, we're gonna get flares. I'm gonna take a food break, sponsorship, Burgerville.
No, we're not getting sponsored.
We ain't getting sponsored, we're shit.
Bleep that out.
We're getting Burgerville because
we
we're hungry. We had to pay for our food. Shout out to Burgerville for having us pay for our food.
No free shout outs.
Hey guys, so we got it fitted. We got all the holes punched in and drilled for the fenders. It all matches up. So now what we gotta do is primer, paint, get it ready. IS is back together, and this shit was a long day. It's a lot more work than it actually looks like. Like, I didn't expect it to be that crazy, but yeah, I'm leaving everything off for now. I'm just gonna drive this home, let it sit. Come Wednesday, we're gonna finish it up and hopefully get it done. So shout out to Irvin for coming in clutch. But yeah, that ends today's episode, the first episode of white flares, fenders, white fenders, that's what they're called, and the front bumper for the H series. So peace out guys, see you in the next one.
See you guys later.